It's a treaded, it's a GT. GTs. Picking your colors for your board's fun too. OG box there. What beautiful boards, huh? Oh my gosh. So much history to this moment in the making. Don't use a knife to open it. Oh, there you are. I'm like a little kid. Oh, it's a treaded, it's a treaded, it's a GT. It's here, baby. There she is. Let's charge her up and ride. Here we go. First one on. We're powered up. Getting on. Engaging foot pads. Riding. Heel dismount. Watch the video, I guess. I know, I know. Sweet little puppy. Simple stop if you want it. Making you watch the video. But yeah, push back. Don't push through the pushback. Digital shaping. And we are, let's ride. 30% out of the box, ready to go, lights on. So fresh out the box, you're looking at almost a 2-hour charge to top it off from 30%. Also got hyperchargers here. Oh yeah, baby, and then you get the little plastic and we got a beautiful sunny day just outside of Pittsburgh at Adams Solar Rides, our Bridgeville shop. And wait till you see when we walk in the door here, buddy. Woo-wee! Why you talk like that? GTs. Is that Grand Touring, or what are we gonna call this for? Here we are. We got a GT shelf replacing the XR shelf here at ASR. What a beautiful board. Got almost all the colors in stock, more on the way. Hyperchargers, got your charge port covers, Pine X's, also carry Evolve. Got the Stoke there and Carbon GT right above it. Get you a hat, Onewheel hat, all the Fender choices, all the fun colors. Yeah, picking your colors for your board's fun too. OG box there. All right, shortly after delivery, we got our first 3 customers here. We're gonna go on our first ride. This is my first step on one of the GTs today. Been staying patient, waiting for this moment. I have test rode one once before, but this is the first one that's mine. Oh. Happy, joy. Where's Brad? So, yeah, what's your first impressions on the GT, guys?
There's no kickback.
This is a pretty steep hill we're running, huh?
I mean, I'm pushing it down. It's no. Doesn't feel like it wants to.
I'm really enjoying the board. I think it's special. Brad,
No,
swap.
No, I'm
Yeah.
just saying.
Ooh, even the dismount's really smooth. What beautiful boards, huh? Slick. Well, my one wheel socks today. I normally always do short socks with shorts, but GT day. I believe Tim said it was like a 580 watt hour battery or something.
I almost feel like I'm attached to the ground gutter on the slick.
You prefer the slick or the treaded?
I prefer the slick just because I feel like I get more grip on the ground.
Yeah, I noticed swapping boards, the slick does feel a little more grounded, I guess, on pavement. Beautiful day for a one-wheel ride. Even more beautiful for a GT. Check them.